Hi guys, this is Samirazi Fashion YouTube channel. I want to say a big thank you to all my old subscribers for your support. If you are new to my channel, you're welcome. Please, you can click the subscribe button under my video to subscribe now. Today's tutorial is on how to cut and sew this stylish 360-degree circle flared bubu top with a round neck on it. Please comment, share my video, give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and watch and learn from it. Please watch this video to the end.
We are making a circle flared bubu and it's a top. So this is the fabric that we are using to make it. So I'm just folding it for us to start with the measurement. So I'm arranging it very well. So it's a 360-degree circle flare. It's a top that we are using to make. So just feel relaxed and watch to see what we are going to do. So this is the material here. So what we do, we will start with the measurements, starting from the neck. The neck is where we will start to get that round neck cutting, and after that we will now measure the length and get the circle flare. So that is the neck that I'm measuring now. I'm using 4 to mark it. So that is the 4 there. So you mark 4 rounds and get that your round neck that we are talking about. So it's the 4 that I'm marking there now. So after marking it, you will now mark the length and get your circle flare. Don't forget, it's a 360-degree circle flare and a top. So it's a top. So you mark it round and get your measurements. So it's not difficult. It's a beautiful top that when finishing it, you see it, it will comes out. So the cutting is going around there. So that is the neck side of it. I hope the chalk is showing for it, for you to see clearly. So that is it. We're done with the neck. So what we're going to do now is to get the length now. So on that length that we have is where you now mark your round throughout. So what I've marked there now is 15. So you continue to mark your 15 round and get your circle flare top. It's a bubu top. We call this kind of circle flare 360 degree. That's what they call it. So that is what I'm marking there now. So after cutting it, we use bias to tape it. That is the neck side of it. So it doesn't have much ceremony. What we do after that again, you just go up to your machine and stitch a little so that you will have that bubu style there that we want, because it's a bubu style. It's a bubu top. So the measurement is almost ready now. That is the cutting. So after doing the cutting, you will now go to your machine and use the bias to tape it. That bias, you now hem it to get a neat sewing. So you hem the neckline. So after using the bias to hem it, to sew it out. So that is it. So don't forget to subscribe, watch my video, make a comment. So that is it. The cutting is what I want to do now, to cut it out, because the measurement is already measured. That's already chalk where we want to cut out. So that is the neck. I'm just repeating it for you to see. It's 4 that I mark at the neck, and use your bias to tape it from when you finish cutting it. So that is it. The chalk is not really showing, but that is just what we did here.
I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.